to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jen Langat. If you're returning fam, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. So on today's video, I'll be doing a lot of cleaning. I'll be cleaning the fridge, I'll be cleaning my kitchen, I'll be cleaning my kids' room, cleaning our shoe rack, arranging all those shoes, and then later on I'll be making the liquid detergent and an antiseptic. So I hope you stick around to see all that, and I'll really appreciate it if you also give this video a thumbs up. So here I'm just cleaning the fridge. It didn't have much because it's end month and basically everything is almost always finished, so it was really dirty on the freezer, and I had started cleaning it before I decided to tag you guys along. So we'll be doing a whole lot of cleaning. So thank you so much for choosing to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy and get some motivation to clean your fridge and your kitchen and every space that is dirty on your end. So yeah.
Kick my shoes up if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
I am using one of my old kitchen towels to clean because it really cleans so nicely and effortlessly, an old kitchen towel. So here I was just putting the tomatoes in there in that bowl, and guys, look, this place was really dirty. Our fridge was so dirty and I really needed to clean it. So I'll continue cleaning and clean the trays and all these holders later on, but first I just had to ensure that it's clean. And also the fridge is off. I've switched the fridge off, not on the socket, but the fridge part, like the whole fridge is off. So even if you guys are seeing the light, but the fridge is off. So yeah. And I've also not shared, I was using some warm water and soap to just clean the whole space, and a bit of vinegar.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit
So I was also going to clean our microwave. It was also really dirty. So I removed the plate and the ring that supports the plate. So I'll be cleaning those separately. And you can see there was quite some dust under the microwave and also behind. So I was using the water and vinegar mix to clean this area.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the town.
So the next area I'll be cleaning is behind the fridge, or where the fridge stays, and I'll be putting some Jik in the water and some washing powder. So you can see around that area I've just cleaned some cobwebs. This area was so dirty, and it's actually one of the forgotten areas in the house, behind the fridge, or where actually the fridge sits. So the next thing, after just cleaning that specific area, I'll be cleaning the dishes. I just have very few dishes, and then I clean the fridge compartments, the microwave plate, and I'll be done.
First met you, listened to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
So I was using a bar soap to clean the dishes, because at this point I had not yet made the liquid detergent. That really makes work easier for me when it comes to cleaning. But the bar soap also does an amazing job. I hope you're enjoying the video, guys, and you've gotten some motivation to clean your space, even if it's cleaning and organizing your fridge. I hope you're getting more motivated. Also, I'd like to thank all our new subscribers and welcome all our new subscribers. Thank you so much for seeing my channel worth of your subscription. I really appreciate it. Please feel welcomed, feel at home, and we can interact in the comment section below. So yeah.
you doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
So I was also going to use that towel to dry the compartments, and I started with this big one. And also you can see I have to move my fridge in order for it to open completely. So I've been thinking of moving it from this space and just putting it somewhere I can fully open it without stressing out, because even when you're trying to remove the tomatoes from the lower compartment, it's a task. It's a task because the door will not open completely. So I don't know how I'm going to go about that, but yeah, we will try and figure it out. So I was just wiping the shelves or the trays and then putting them back in the fridge so that I can return the meals or the foods that we had stored back into the fridge and also turn it on. Otherwise, my cereals zingeharibika in this whole process by way of cleaning. So that's exactly what I'm doing here.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart.
So the next thing I was going to clean is the jug. I actually scrub it well, and also the thermos, and where I normally put our spoons. So after this, I will be arranging the shelf where I normally put our spices, and also remove the canisters from there, because I've been really afraid of them rusting because of water around that space. So I'll be arranging them on the shelf as well, and just organize this whole area. So I've been meaning to get some spice jars so that this space can look a bit organized, and my spaces can also look a bit captivating, if I may put it like that. But there's one thing that I will not do, and I think it's from observation. I don't think I'll be able to buy like you guys can see what the jar that has the tea leaves. I will not get jars like that. I'm not sure whether I really captured that on this video, but the lids do rust. So if you're using such storage containers, let me know in the comment section, because for me, I've experienced rust with these lids. So I'd prefer the jars with the bamboo lids, or just the acrylic jars that have plastic lids. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section if you have such type of jars and if you're experiencing the same thing.
Like 90 degrees, it's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
So this is the final outcome of the kitchen, and it really turned out so well. Please ignore the cooking pot. I was not able to scrub the cooking pot. I'll be doing that within the week, but this is basically how my kitchen looks like, and I love that it's clean and finally organized. So the next thing is tackling my kids' room, and it was also a bit organized, and the only thing I was going to do is clean under the bed and also the floors. Basically, I wiped the windows and the window pane off camera, and then organize this shoe rack and declutter as well, because there are a lot of shoes here we do not wear. Some are even torn, some are really small for both my daughter and my son. So I'll be sorting that out. And guys, I have heels here that I don't even wear, but I hold on to them. I keep telling myself one day I'll get back to wearing these heels. Anyway, I hope guys you're enjoying, and I hope you've given this video a thumbs up. please do just like the video. It's actually free to just give the video a thumbs up, just to like it. And thank you. In the process of cleaning all these shoes, I discovered I actually need new pairs of flat shoes or doll shoes. All these shoes, mine, are actually worn out. They're actually worn out, and I realized I have more canvas, more closed, completely closed shoes. And then my daughter has actually sneakers that don't fit. She used to wear number 37, which is I think number 4. And right now my girl is wearing shoe number 38, 39. I was shocked. We're almost wearing the same shoe size. Wow, okay. By the after this decluttering, that's when we realized, because we went to get her and my boy a pair of shoe, and she couldn't wear 37. She actually fit a 39 really well, perfectly. And I was actually surprised. But for myself, I really need, this is where you realize you actually need pairs of shoes.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
I have not been able to work on this space. I think the only thing that I've done is just get the beddings, and they're still not as perfect as I want them to be. So I'll be visiting Gikomba to make sure that I get everything that I want for this bedroom, because I want it to look a bit cute and just to resemble a kid's bedroom. So you can see there are no duvets, they were actually outside drying. And yeah, that's just basically it. The room has nothing much. I've not really done much with it, so that's why I feel at some point I feel it's always a bit plain. But we'll work on this space, like I said, a room at a time and a step at a time.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up on.
So the beds have creases because of the Macintosh. So both beds have the Macintosh. I don't know if you can see the black one. Yeah. And then Joy tries to decorate the room sometime. That's why I'm telling you guys, I can feel. Sometimes I feel it's too plain for a kid's room, but I think I'll decorate it for them. Pole pole too, until I can feel that she feels like it's hers and her brother's room. So yeah, I had hung that towel over there because it was slightly wet. He had taken a shower and laundry had already been done, but it was cleaned the following day. You can see like the beds are not neatly spread because of the Macintosh that I put on both mattresses. So hi guys, there's a lot of noise outside. I hope you guys can hear me. So the first thing that I want to make is the antiseptic or antibacterial. So these are the chemicals that I have. So what I know is I'm supposed to add these two. Okay, I have my bucket here. So I'm supposed to add 5 liters of water in here, and then I pour these two inside. Okay, and then now I'll later add, I think this is perfume. Yeah, and then I'll add the whatever, nanuka Dettol, the perfume, and then I'll add a bit of the color.
Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. I still dream of you.
So here I have my 5 liters of water, and then I'll add this. This was my first time making the antiseptic, and it will really come in handy for me with cleaning the surfaces, and I'm also planning to use it to do our laundry. So that is basically why I really needed it, mostly for the laundry and now cleaning surfaces in the house. So I think after this I'm supposed to just mix. Supposed to mix, and I think I'll add the perfume as well, or let me mix first.
But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go.
So I stored it in this 5-liter jerry can, and it was exactly 5 liters. So the other chemicals I have are this, and this I want to make around 10 liters of 10 liters of 10 liters of liquid detergent. So the multi-purpose soap. So I'll start with this. So this is the salt crystals. Kuna kelele ya mati nje. And then I'll go in with this. I do not know the names of these chemicals, guys. So I'll be mixing these three together. Guys, this is a whole workout. When I say a whole workout, I normally use both my hands. My right hand, when it gets tired, I use my left hand. But this is a whole workout, and you have to mix until the salt crystals dissolve.
I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fault. I'm sorry, but we had something real. A bit of you, a bit of me. Now I'm swimming through a bitter truth. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head.
So when adding water, you do bit by bit. So I added kidogo water, and then also little water, and then I mixed just to make sure everything dissolves really well. And then later on I added the remaining amount of water. So you're going to see it will thicken. This whole liquid will thicken. But guys, when I say it's a workout, it's a workout. So you can see how thick it is. If you want, you can continue adding water, because I believe this can make up to 8 liters of a liquid detergent. That is if you want to add. But for me, this is perfect. The thickness was perfect. So I've just added the perfume, and the last thing that I will add is the color. But you can see it's thick and it's really nice. So I'll just mix the color, and then I'll let it rest. Actually, for me, I normally let it rest like for a whole night or overnight, and then I put it in the jerry cans the following day.
Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Call out to everyone I know. Buy me a drink and help me let go of the suffering. Oh, help me get back again. 'Cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of love. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you
So this is the antiseptic, and it smells like Dettol, like kabisa kabisa. And this is the storage container that I use. So I made 5 liters of the antibacterial antiseptic, I think. Yo. So mostly I'll be using it to clean our clothes and also all the surfaces in the house. So yeah. And then I made 10 liters of cleaning detergent, the multi-purpose. So this is enough Filpicious for maybe Neds. So this will give us service for like 1 month plus, because I use it to clean the dishes, and I even use it to clean our blankets or our duvets. It's multi-purpose. I basically can use it for anything, for cleaning. And then I decided to change a soap dispenser for the kitchen, and this is what I'll be going for. So this is a what do we call it? This is a shower gel. This is a shower gel container that I decided to repurpose or to reuse it. So this I came with quite a couple of shower gels from Ghana. They just had shea butter, and yeah, I think I've shown you in one of my videos some of the products that I came with. So this one, Elisha, and I decided to reuse this bottle, and I find it really cute. It looks so cute. So it's what I've been using to clean the dishes, and I cleaned it fast. Like tuliosha imekuwa na maji all along, and I decided not to throw it away, just to repurpose it. And it looks so cute over there. Please don't mind my curtains. I think imeshika turmeric hapo. So yeah, that is it, guys, and let me catch you guys on my next video. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.